My name is Brian, and I'm a brain.
Our body is like an amazing machine. It needs healthy food, water, and sleep to work properly. Your brain is really smart. It shows you how to tell if you're drinking enough water by the colour of your wee when you go to the toilet. Let's give Brian a drink and watch his wee colour in the toilet. When he's drunk all this water, his wee will be the right colour.
Glug, 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 glug. Glug, 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 glug. Glug, 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 glug.
Let's play a game about everyday foods and sometimes foods. Everyday foods can be eaten every day because they keep your brain happy and healthy. You feel great and you can do all of the things you love to do. Sometimes foods can make us feel hyper happy, then cranky, then sad. Let's sort healthy everyday foods and sometimes foods into the correct baskets. If you sit on the toilet and have to push really hard, making your face go red to do a poo, eat more vegetables and fruit and drink more water. When we eat plenty of vegetables and fruit and drink enough water, your poo comes out easily and looks a bit like a sausage.
No, I don't want. No, I don't want to.
Soft drinks and flavoured milks have heaps of sugar hidden in them. Let's see how many sugars are in a can of soft drink and the chocolate milk. Count the teaspoons with me. Wow, that's a lot of sugar. Sugar affects how you feel and how you behave, and it keeps you from sleeping properly. The best drink for your brain is water. When Brian wants something sweet, he eats fruit.
Hello. Hello.
Food, water, sleep.